Hi guys, welcome back to my Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you guys a review on this new jewelry website called Leggero.com. I believe it's pronounced Leggero. I think that's how you pronounce it. I just love this packaging so much. This is what it comes like, and you can actually take the sleeve off the top if you want to showcase this box on top of your drawer. So this is what it looks like. I like it because it has a nice texture and everything, and it has a name on the top. It's a little frayed on the corners though, so I like to keep this over it. The corners are a little bent too, and I think it's because of shipping, but otherwise I really like the box that it comes in. This is probably like the biggest jewelry box I've ever seen, that with just like one single ring or jewelry inside of it. So the top you'll open, and then that's what it looks like inside. But then on the bottom there's actually a little gift bag, as you can see. So in case if you want to give this as a gift to someone, like a special person or a loved one or a sibling or anything, you can put the jewelry box inside the gift bag. I just kept it in there. And yeah, let me go ahead and open this for you. I really like this box. It has a matte finish and it feels very nice, and then that's how it looks like when you open it. I have my ring on right now. So I ordered a wedding band from their site. I love all their bands. I'm not huge on like white diamonds or gold or anything like that. I'm not really high maintenance when it comes to jewelry. I personally love sterling silver. Ever since I was younger, I've always liked sterling silver. I remember there was a small boutique in Mississippi where I grew up, and all they sold were sterling silver, and I've always gotten my jewelry there, and I just love sterling silver. So I knew for a fact that I wanted a sterling silver wedding band from their collection. There were so many choices on their site, over hundreds and hundreds of choices just for the wedding bands alone. I wanted to just get a simple, nice wedding band with a little vintage to it to match with my pear-shaped ring. Just reminds us of like vines and leaves, sort of like that vintage, elegant feel. And that's just like definitely my style. And when I got it in the mail, it was just like, when I opened it out, I was just like, this is perfect. I had a hallelujah moment, and I'm just so happy. There was a wedding this past weekend, and I wore it to the wedding, and it just like photographed so well, and it's just like, it just looks so nice. I just like can't stop looking at it. Just like how fashion is for every person, like every individual, every person has their own style in fashion, and I believe that's pretty much the same how it goes for wedding bands and wedding jewelry and just jewelry in general. I honestly cannot tell you how long it took me to find the perfect wedding band, because there were so many choices and I just couldn't really pick one. So I picked 3 that I really liked, and then I showed it to Daniel and asked him to pick the one that he wanted for me. So if you're planning a wedding and you're newly engaged and you're looking for wedding bands, you guys definitely check this website out. Please do, because you will be so happy at looking at all the different choices. And not only that, it's like they're affordable too. Not only do they have engagement rings and wedding bands, but they also have like earrings and necklaces. So, and I believe bracelets. I don't know, I didn't really look at the bracelets. I mainly was like looking at all the wedding bands. They had like pages and pages of just like wedding bands. My 2 weeks was just searching and searching for the perfect one, and there were so many pretty ones and just so many different colors of the stones and everything. There's always a ring for that one person, for you. There's always a ring, that one ring for you. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? And of course, I got you, girl. I got you a promo code LJ20, and you get 20% off your order, and I got you. I got you. So that is my unboxing slash review for you guys. I love this site. I'm definitely gonna order more from it, and maybe I'll find something for Daniel, maybe for our 1 year. So I will see you guys later. I hope you guys had a great week, day, wherever you guys are. I'll see you guys later. High five. Boom!